Today we're going to learn about how to use a projector. This is my LED Pico Pocket projector. You can find the link in my website or on my profile. You want to make sure if you do purchase this projector that you get the HDMI cable that comes with it, and the other cable there is just your adapter. I am going to show you my setup here. I've got my Pico on my Archon mount, and then that's also holding my iPad that's also plugged into the projector. Next, I just used Google and just typed in soccer balls, and all these images came up. I just picked the one that I wanted the most, size it just right using my fingers for the cookie that I have there, and your image just shines right down onto your cookie. So for the soccer ball, these cookies have already been outlined and flooded, and they have been drying overnight. So I'm going to add my outline icing of black and make a circle right around the edge. And then I'm going to start with the middle pentagon because everything kind of flows from that one. So I'm going to start with that one and draw lines straight around. And then I'm just going to follow the guide and follow the image here that's projected and just add in my lines as I'm going along. You want to add, make sure that your lines are connected and that they are straight for your soccer ball. Then I'm going to add just a little bit of icing on that, and then I'm making a mark in each of the black sections that I want to fill in with black flood icing. I do that so when I move the cookie away from the projector, I know exactly which ones need to be colored in with the black flood icing. I'm going to grab my flood icing and my black and just fill in each of those sections there. And then take my scribe and move my icing around just so that it covers all of the area and there's no white showing underneath any of the black sections. And there you have it. Give it a little few shakes and then you are ready for your easy soccer ball cookies. Perfect for eating for your next event.